Have you ever checked the composition of the chemicals you use to clean your floor or toilet? You will be surprised to know that chemicals like benzene, toluene, methanol and over 150 other toxic chemicals, known to cause cancer, are found in the home cleaning solutions and air fresheners. You are risking the health of your children. Make a change, use organic solutions. Zerodor Care is a range of natural solutions for cleaning, deodorizing and composting. All these solutions are safe and non-toxic for you and your family. Care can be used as an air freshener in your room, toilet and car, or as a cleaner for glass and other hard surfaces. Clean your bathroom and fittings with Restroom Care, and experience the freshness. Stain Care is a multi-purpose cleaner, and is very effective on stains. Use it to clean kitchen, chimneys and floor. Unclog your drain lines without damaging the plumbing. Drain Care variants are very effective on kitchen and toilet drain lines. Surface Care is a natural cleaner. Use it to maintain your house and keep your children healthy. All these solutions are free from harmful chemicals, and safe for you and your family. These Green Pro certified products are the outcome of the research activities conducted at Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Think about your health, choose organic.